Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, "Whosoever harbors any hostility against any friend of mine, I declare a war against him. And out of the acts through which my bondsman intends my vicinity, the obligatory acts are most favorite to me, and my bondsman keeps on attaining my vicinity through optional acts of worship until I love him. And when I love him, I become his sense of hearing, ear, by which he hears, and his sense of sight, eyes, by which he sees, and his hand, with which he clutches, and his foot, with which he walks. And if he begs me, I definitely grant him. And if he seeks my protection, I surely grant him refuge. And I don't hesitate in performing anything except a believer's disliking the death, for I dislike his disliking it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6502.